In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to restore old photos and increase their quality. So the tool that we're going to use is novoads.ai, and I'm going to put the link of this site in the comment section. So once you arrive here, you need to create an account. Then once you arrive here, we need to go to the See More section. And now the tool that we're going to use is this one, Increase Resolution. Now we have to click here and upload the image that we want to increase their resolution and restore the quality. So the image is this one. As you can see, the quality is not very well if we do a little bit of zoom in. So let's click here and now click in Enhance Resolution. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the image, and as you can see, the quality now is much better. Actually, let's compare the difference. As you can see in this image, the quality is very, very bad. But in this one, if we do zoom in, the quality is much better. So if you want to try this platform and do images like the one we created, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. Actually, novoads.ai is a platform where you can do videos, you can do images, ads, and actually there are many functionalities that you can see here. So I recommend you to just try it. It's just $1, and then if you don't like it, you can just cancel. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.